This is your unboxing of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro and Google's new processor, specially made for Pixel. The Google Tensor will make all the difference. Pixel 6 is 5G, comes with 8 gigs of RAM and starts at 128 gigs of storage. First impressions when you open it up, I like these colours. This is kind of coral, the 3 in all. Front camera is 8 megapixels with fixed focus. It's a 6.4 inch screen. And the box has the typical extras, but you won't find the fast charger. You'll have to buy that separately. So in the hand it feels really nice. The camera array is a 50 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. It'll start at $999 in Australia. Now to the Pro, 12 gigs of RAM and up to half a terabyte of storage. It's also millimeter wave, so 5G will rock. 3 colours again, this is Stormy Black. The extras are the same. Front camera is 11 megapixels. You'll get 4K video too. The screen, 6.7 inch on the Pro. 3 cameras on the back. The main camera is 50 megapixels. You've got a 48 megapixel telephoto, 4 times optical, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. You'll pay $12.99 in Australia. Just over 4,500 milliamp hours for the Pixel 6 and 5,000 milliamp hours for the Pixel 6 Pro. Side by side, you can see the difference because the 6 Pro has millimeter wave reception. I actually like the look of the 6 over the 6 Pro. I wish we had that colour for the 6 Pro. Anyway, tune in next week. We'll go deeper with a full review of the Pixel 6.